Do you want a property that generates amazing financial returns, super high gross revenue, incredible net operating income and cap rate, but a property that's easy to operate? It comes with a built-in system that's easy to use, where a lot of the work is done for you. Hey guys, I'm Matt Barge, owner of City Place B&B, and I'm here to walk you through operations of the property. So you may be wondering, hey Matt, I'm interested in this property, but I've never run something like this before, and I'm not sure I could. So I'm here to walk you through how the property works. And the thing I want you to take away most from this video is, I live in Austin. This property is operated remotely, and it's been set up and installed with the most advanced, most stable infrastructure possible. So I've been doing short-term rental for 7 years. I used to be a software developer, and I'm here to give you all the details about how this property is run and how you can run it yourselves. So let's start at the beginning. The property is listed on a bunch of channels. So that's Expedia, Airbnb, Booking.com. We have our own website. We're listed on Google Hotels. A guest books on one of those channels, and that reservation is sent automatically to our property management system. We use a property management system that's publicly available off the shelf. You can use the same system we do, and we're even open to setting you up on the same system to set you up for success. Now, something you should know about this property management system is it does a lot of the work for you. So when a guest books, it automatically sends both an email and an in-channel message. Hey, your reservation's confirmed for Tuesday on the 4th. Check-in's at 4, here's the address, here's the Wi-Fi password. It also sends them a text message automatically to their phone that includes a welcome video that we made, physically walking them through, hey, here's the driveway, here's where you park, and it sends them their check-in code and their unit number at check-in time. So much of the work is done for you by the property management system. What else does it do for you? So it also collects payments. Payment is gonna be collected automatically, or it'll automatically have imported a virtual card that you can authorize and charge with a single click. Now, all the front door locks on site are internet connected. That means the guest gets their own code, handyman gets their own code, housekeeping gets their own code. You can look back at the history to see who's come and gone. You can also change a code if you want to. We've got a Ring doorbell outside every unit, so it's really easy to see who's coming and going. And we've got a floodlight Ring camera, again, also internet connected, at the front of the property and the back of the property overlooking the parking lot, so it's really easy to see any time of day who's around. We've also got noise sensors inside every unit that track sustained noise. It's easy to proactively kind of settle an issue with a guest if it does pop up. On every listing and the guest communications, we have strict property rules that the guest knows beforehand. So the thing you should just know is that things are really stable, secure, and safe on site. Now let's talk about staff. So we'll talk about cleaner and handyman first. Now the property comes with a cleaner and a handyman. So the cleaner cleans all the units, and the property management system sends them a notification when a new reservation is made, also a reminder the day before and the morning of which units to turn. So all that's done for you. We also have a handyman that does any maintenance that pops up. Now you may be thinking, okay Matt, that's all great and all, but what about things that happen during the reservation or questions or concerns that guests have while they're staying? We have an internal management staff that provides 24/7 coverage of the property. This is a group that I trained myself. They were already short-term rental experts on their own, but I trained them to do things the way I like them done, and they handle 24/7 coverage of the property. You'll also notice them, they are the management line item in the P&L. So if you want to keep this team doing all the communications for you, you're welcome to do that. Now all the staff, the cleaner, the handyman, the property management staff are together on Slack. Slack is a messaging app where it's really easy to stay in touch. You can message, you can send photos and videos. These people work together to run the property. Now we also have an electronic cleaning checklist, electronic maintenance checklist, and cleaning training video that we're welcome to share with you if you want. So what does this mean? It means that all the required infrastructure to run the property is already installed, already done for you. We've got reservations coming in. We've got payments coming in. We've got messages going out to guests. We've got guests checking in on their own. We've got cleaners being notified automatically. All of this infrastructure is already installed and already operational, and you're gonna inherit it if you want to. It also means that you can know and trust the performance, knowing that you're gonna be using the same set of infrastructure that we do. You can know and trust the performance, looking at the 2-year track record and knowing that you're gonna get amazing performance from this property. So I hope this is helpful running through operations of the property. So again, I live in Austin. I operate this property remotely. All the infrastructure has been installed. You can inherit all the infrastructure. Also, all the staff has been trained and installed. This is a property that anyone can take over with stable infrastructure and amazing performance.